Hi there, Jane. Good afternoon to you. It's going to stay mild over the next few days, but big downpours lurking on the horizon today. And indeed, the weekend is going to be quite changeable as well. Certainly not a washout. We've got some sunshine on the way, but it will change. This is what the satellite picture looks like right now, and quite a complicated sort of pattern of clouds. You can see various vortices, various low pressure swirling around the UK, and the air is crucially also coming in from the south, from the southern climes, so hence it feels so mild out there. And as we go through the weekend, you'll see areas of low pressure sweeping across the UK, bringing further outbreaks of rain, so that very changeable autumnal picture.
Good afternoon. It's another very mild day today. Fewer showers than yesterday, but there's still one or two around. Now, this is first thing this morning. A little bit of mist here and there. That's down, of course, at the Shard from weatherwatchers. City's slicker, but the wind has been strengthening. The mist has been lifting.
Hello there. Very good evening to you. There has been some sunshine to start this morning across the capital, but very quickly quite heavy scattered showers pushed their way in from the southwest. And well, for the weekend, it's a story of two halves. Saturday looks to be largely dry with some sunny spells, but by Sunday, heavy rain returns from the southwest for all of us. Still some uncertainty about the exact timing of those showers as we work through the day, but if you want to be outside, make the most of the Saturday sunshine. Take care.
Here is Louise Lear with a glorious photo of autumn behind you.
Stunning, isn't it? It gets forgotten a little bit, autumn, doesn't it? But it really can be stunning. And just to prove a point, this was Kent this afternoon, and there was hardly a cloud in the sky, and it's incredibly warm for this time of year. Once again, temperatures peaking the high teens quite widely along that Kent coast in actual fact. But the other face of autumn can look a little bit like this. Yes, we've seen some rain today, and some of it really quite horrendous, pushing up from the southwest. So widespread sharp showers in the East Midlands through this afternoon. They've been moving up from Cornwall, pushing into South Wales, across the South Midlands, up into the East Midlands through the afternoon. And they've brought a lot of heavy rain in a very short space of time. So what's it going to be like?
Bit of a mixed bag, Alice. Like today, really. We've had sunshine, we've had showers. Similar story for this weekend as well. Thank you. Good evening. So we have had some good spells of sunshine earlier today across some of the region, especially for more central and eastern parts, but also some pretty hefty showers this afternoon. Look at this giant shower cloud captured by one of our weather watchers earlier today. Very mild for the time of year. The average for London is around 14 Celsius, but we're holding on to that warmth with these southerly winds drawing in those oranges and yellows across the UK. So it will certainly remain mild as we look ahead to next week as well. So certainly Saturday, the better day for this weekend. Sunday, we will see some heavy showers, still unsettled next week, but it will stay mild. That's your forecast.
Hello there. Friday brought heavy rain for some, and in areas where we are desperate for it. The heaviest of the rain moving up through Dorset, across the Midlands, and in fact there was over an inch of rainfall in parts of Oxfordshire throughout the day, so some pretty muddy fields starting to develop now. However, eastern England, lots of blue sky and sunshine, and temperatures peaked at 20 degrees. It was a beautiful opportunity for getting out and enjoying some of the gorgeous autumn colour that we have.
No doubt many of you have been enjoying the changing colours of autumn. Well, Becky is out and about in Buckinghamshire. Becky, hard to see now that it's dark, but I'm sure it was looking very colourful there earlier today.
Yes, it absolutely was. Welcome to Hughendham Manor here in Buckinghamshire. This is the former home of Benjamin Disraeli, apparently Queen Victoria's favourite Prime Minister. And it also had quite an exciting little thing happening during the Second World War. It was a base for secret map-making operations, so definitely a place of excitement and intrigue as well as beauty. And it's now owned and managed by the National Trust. Now, Hughendham Manor looks, of course, beautiful throughout the year, but arguably even more so nestled amongst the gorgeous autumnal colours, even on a murky day like today. The National Trust, however, are warning that such visual spectaculars could be at risk in the future as the planet continues to confront climate extremes. In fact, this year's record-breaking heat and drought has already delayed the full array of autumnal colours really getting underway, coupled with temperatures still holding up at night, as I've been learning.
These are deciduous trees. The leaves will fall, but we may see we may have to wait a couple of weeks. I think the temperatures are still looking quite warm at night, and it's a bit windy. We've got a bit of wind today, so we will probably lose a few with the wind. But you never know, you might get that wonderful time when you walk under the trees and the floor is just carpeted with so many different colours.
Well, summer heat and drought will feel a long way away this weekend. Well, let's start off with a reminder that one of our seasonal meteor showers happens tonight. The best place to see it will be across southern parts of the UK as the skies gradually, hopefully, clear. We'll see around 25 meteors an hour, and it's around sort of midnight time. And it's going to be quite mild if you are up and about. So looking ahead then to the all-important weekend weather conditions. And I do think Saturday generally is going to be the better of the 2 weekend days. We are expecting it to be drier with some decent brightness, particularly warmness across the east. On Sunday, I'm afraid, not looking to be quite so good, although we might see a little bit of fleeting brightness in places. So the best day for an autumnal, dare I say even romantic walk, will definitely be through tomorrow for most of us. And did you know that it's not really the autumnal colours that come out, it's more that we see less light, the chlorophyll that the tree makes, which is green, withdraws from the leaves, and that reveals the gorgeous autumnal colours that we love. There you are, you're going to nail Trivial Pursuit, as I keep saying. Back to you.
Becky, thank you.